made it. Hey guys, welcome back. I am in Seattle, Washington for the first time ever. I'm here for an influencer trip. Amazon flew me out and I'm staying here at the Edgewater Hotel, really close to Pike Place, and that's actually the first spot that I'm gonna go to. Pike Place is over there. We're gonna do that first because I need coffee. I'm gonna go to the first Starbucks. I'm so excited. Anyways, I'll share more about the trip later and you guys will see a bunch that's going on, but super exciting stuff is happening this weekend. I'm so excited, but I'm gonna shower and get ready so I can go to Pike Place. I have a whole list of stuff I want to do, and today the only thing going on is a welcome reception, and that's not till like 5 p.m. and it's here at the hotel, so I have all day. It just hit 11, so gonna shower, get ready, and then we'll start exploring. Okay. Hair and makeup. Makeup is done, minus my lipstick. Hair is almost done. I'm so hungry and I need coffee ASAP. So we're gonna go straight to the first Starbucks. It's 12:30, so we are good. And I can just walk there. I think I'm good. Always have to check the back. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. And then I'll touch it up before dinner. Oh, and I have this, because you already know I have gray hairs and I haven't made my appointment to dye it yet. So I have this thing. Yeah, I have to use tissue for it. I don't like spraying it directly. It's the L'Oreal like gray hair cover thing. I don't know if you could see, but I literally just spray it on the paper towel and go like this because, or not paper towel, on the tissue paper, because I don't like to spray it directly. I don't want it to like get on my face. And not gonna lie, this works fine for like what I need it. Until I go get my hair done again. This really helps. But like, look at that. Like, I'm not gonna get all up in there. It's like a little bit. But yeah, I'm definitely at the point where I need to dye my hair already. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. All right, weird mirror. We are out. This is my comfy walking, exploring. All right, let's go. We are going to the OG Starbucks.
Near here.
Got it.
And yeah, she's taking him to the dog park and she's got, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you haven't had underbelly in a minute. All right, I'm vlogging. We got a Zara top that Anna let me borrow, Zara skinny jeans, and we got my Zara boots. All Zara. What else is new? All right, you guys, I have to show you this because when I got back to my hotel room, I was surprised with some gifts. Let me show you. So the Amazon Climate Pledge Friendly family sent this to me. Let me show you. Okay, so this is what I saw when I came in. They gave me this backpack with my name on it. I love it. With the little tumbler. We have the little welcome with like the schedule of everything we're doing. And then we got some sweatpants and the matching sweatshirt with my name on it. I got a gift card, a bunch of snacks, and flowers. I'm gonna cry. You guys, this has been my dream. Every time I would see influencers go to their hotel room and they were welcomed with gifts, that was my dream. And it's happening, and I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. Oh, that's not even it. Then when I came to the restroom, I saw this. All of these products are also Climate Pledge friendly. So like, it's perfect. It's perfect. I'm so happy. I love it. And now I'm gonna head out to dinner. It's just downstairs right here at the hotel. I'm excited. Gonna see everybody else who's here. And then after this, I think I'm gonna go to the Starbucks Reserve to have a little like drink on my own. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. guys, so it is the next morning. I came outside because inside the hotel room the lighting is just not good, but I just wanted to catch you up. So I'm all ready for the day. How cute is the sweater? Anna let me borrow it as well. I swear I'm wearing all her clothes, and then I'm just wearing like jeans and my Allbirds, of course. Okay, but how funny is it that Anna ended up texting me telling me that I looked like Arthur? So I'm calling this outfit a cute Arthur fit. And I'm gonna go to get some breakfast. We're gonna go to Biscuit Bitch, and then after that I think we're gonna go to the Space Needle, I believe is what it's called. And then I really want to try, if I have time, go back to the Starbucks Reserve because I went yesterday, but I got there an hour before closing, so of course their bar was closed and I didn't get my espresso martini. So my plan is to do that today, and then we're gonna meet up here at the hotel lobby and we're gonna get picked up by shuttle. It's gonna take us to the Spheres, the Amazon Spheres, and we're gonna have like a happy hour with the Amazon sustainability team. So really excited about that, and I get to meet them. And from there we're gonna take a shuttle to the Climate Pledge friendly arena where we get to see Billie Eilish tonight. So that's gonna be awesome. But anyways, I'm really hungry and I need some coffee, so let's head out so we can get some biscuit, bitch. Hot mess, bitch. Awesome, thank you so much. Okay, so I wasn't expecting the Biscuit Bitch place to not have any seating. I was not aware. But I got the stuff, we got it, and I found a little spot here to eat. So we're gonna try it out now. Holy shit. So this is the hot mess, bitch, and it's so good.
This is our blue elevator that faces north towards Queen Anne Hill, one of the first communities established in Seattle.
Okay, I just got back. Okay, so I'm trying to hurry up because I just got back from the Space Needle and the museum, and I have to meet the people I'm here. I have to meet the people I'm here with in like 20 minutes. So I'm just like trying to heat up everything, heat up my curler. I mean, my hair's gonna go down anyways. I just want to touch it up a little bit. I'm pretty much ready. I just want to freshen up. Today was fun. I did a lot while I'm here, guys. I still have most of the day tomorrow because we just have a breakfast that we're meeting up for, and then my flight is until 7, so I don't have to be at the airport till like, I'll get there earlier. But I think this is okay. Okay, perfume, or like my sister calls it, perfumey. Not sure what time is it. 3:27. Okay. Gotta do what we gotta do, people. I'm trying to hide. There's some things you can't deny. The only real plan I have for tomorrow is to get my souvenir t-shirt or sweater. I always make sure to get that. And also I want to go back to the Starbucks Reserve because I didn't get a chance to grab my espresso martini. So that is for sure happening tomorrow. The cool thing is that for the concert, we're gonna be like in a suite, I think what it's called. I can't remember what it's called. But I'm very excited for that. So I guess I could just take my sweater and take it off and leave it there. Okay, I'm gonna stop here because I need to hurry up because I don't have much time. But next clips will be at the Billie Eilish concert.
said, drape your body on me. I said, maybe in the morning. We said it would be just like, just know I can make you mine. I can feel you watching me, stole another piece of me. I wonder if you would.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. It is checkout day. It is flight day, departure day. I don't know what I'm saying. I am exhausted. But anyways, so the concert last night was so much fun. I swear, like, how am I supposed to go to a regular concert now? Like, it needs to be at a suite and it needs to be really close seats now. I feel so spoiled. So much fun. Billie was great. Love her. It was so good. She definitely had me in my feels. And just overall, the whole experience was just so great. And I'm just super thankful and excited because I don't know, it feels like I got a little taste of the good life, or I've been getting tastes of the good life lately where it just motivates me more. So really happy. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get back home and just feel ready to just, I don't know, do more, feel more motivated, and I'm just really excited. I want to keep creating good content, better content, and yeah, I'm just really happy about this. I feel like overall it was just a really amazing trip. And just traveling alone in general, I feel like I don't know, it really does something to you, and I feel like I just want to travel everywhere alone now. Like, I feel like I can go anywhere. I don't know, maybe I'm just a little too excited. But anyways, I just got done with breakfast with everybody, said goodbye. It was so nice, everybody was so great. It was really fun meeting everyone. I'm done packing up. I'm meeting up with one of the girls that I met here on the trip. We got along super well, so we're actually going to be checking out soon. I think checkout's like in a couple of minutes, but we're just gonna have them hold our stuff because our flights aren't till later, and we're gonna go back to the Starbucks Reserve because obviously the other night we went, they were done serving alcohol. Makes sense, we got there an hour before closing. But anyways, we're gonna get some espresso martinis. They have a flight that I've been like so excited to try out, so gonna do that. I still need to get like Seattle t-shirt or sweater or something, so I'll probably go back somewhere, get a souvenir, and yeah, I don't know, that's probably it. I'm gonna get to the airport just a little bit earlier probably, and get some free food at the Delta Lounge and just chill and relax. But after the concert, oh my gosh, like, I didn't go to bed last night till like 4:30, and I don't know how I'm awake right now, but I already had some coffee and I'm gonna get some more coffee right now, so it should be good. But anyways, I'm gonna make sure all my stuff is nice and packed so I could head down, and then we'll make our way to the Starbucks Reserve. All right, cheers. Cheers for the YouTube. Cheers. Oh my gosh.
Is it good? Hear your body like breathe a sigh of relief. That's what it did to me.
Oh my goodness.
You're like,